Hey everybody, this is the Killer Bee full kit, pan and pickup. If you're interested in this pan or just the pickup, this is kind of what you're gonna get. If you order the whole kit, you'll get the pan itself, really nice thick aluminum. It has a larger capacity than stock, and you have two ports, one M20 and one 1/2 inch NPT. One of them will be your drain plug. Then you get your pickup, which is a lot more heavy duty than the stock pickup. And you get the windage tray or baffle, whatever you want to call it, which is also a lot nicer than the stock one. Stock one's just kind of like a stamped steel piece. This is really nice. It has really nice welds and a lot better design than the stock one. Also in the kit, you get these spacers. So if you're running this pickup tube with a stock pan, you will not need these spacers. This is for if you're using the Killer Bee pan. Because it has a larger capacity, it's lower, so the pickup needs to sit lower in the pan, so you put these in there. It lowers the pickup. These are the bolts for the pickup itself. These two are for the feet of the pickup. These guys right here. Then you've got the actual pan bolts. Should get 14 in the kit. And they give you 2 O-rings for the dipstick. They give you a copper washer. Subaru stock uses a crush washer. They recommend not running a crush washer. I'm assuming because it's an aluminum pan instead of a steel pan. One thing I noticed that kind of bugged me a little bit is that the Killer Bee windage tray, when you put the pickup on, they mount through the windage tray. So those 2 black bolts mount through this windage tray. However, they don't give you enough hardware for these 2 rear holes. I was lucky enough to find the stock pickup bolts. These aren't actually the correct ones. They should have a lock washer on them. I'm just going to toss some blue Loctite on them and I think they'll be fine. But it'd be nice if Killer Bee included that in the hardware kit, especially since you're paying $700 for a pan.